This is a quick tutorial to show you how to use Office 365 and upload your PowerPoint presentation to the discussion board for the introductions. So you go to Carol's homepage and notice at the top you have a bar and it says My Carol. Click on My Carol and you will see Microsoft Office 365. If you click on that and log in, you will have access to a whole host of Microsoft Office products, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Now, once you've gone into Office 365, created your PowerPoint presentation, saved it, the next step is to go into your course and Canvas, and then you will go into Discussions. Under Discussions, you're going to go into Mod 1. That is the discussion board where you're going to place your PowerPoint presentation. So click on Mod 1, Introductions, and you'll see my directions for the posting. And when you're ready to post, you click Reply. You scroll down, and then you look for this blue V. When you scroll over the blue V, you will see it says More External Tools. Click on that. Click on Microsoft Office 365. If you are already logged in, it will just link to it. Otherwise, you have to put your ID and password in. Scroll down. Look for the file that you want to upload. And in this case, Introduction by your instructor. You click on it. You click on Attach File. It is placed in the discussion board. And then when you're ready, post reply. And there you have it. The PowerPoint is now uploaded as a post on the discussion board.